Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna. This is jennabudgetsus, and today I'm coming at you with a bonus video. And you may hear my daughter in the background just playing around with toys or crying because I'm in here and she does not like me being in here. So just letting you know if there's background noise, it happens. Today we have $108 that we're going to be putting into our chicken binder. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9, 100. One oh one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you all are having a great weekend. I will be posting this on a Saturday. So we are going to jump over to this challenge, which is from Wild Everest, and it is Fly the Coop. And I'm going to move that down and hopefully there's no glare. My goal, since there are 12 challenges, well, there's 12 envelopes and $108, like averaging like 9 per envelope. So we will see what we get. I'm gonna scratch this one right here, and that's a 10. Okay, I figured there had to be some big numbers in here just because it's a save 50 and I was getting small ones at first. So $10 actually makes sense. So now we have $19 in Fly the Coop. Next up, we have these 2 challenges that look like bookmarks. These are from Bookish Mama Budgets. And you will notice that I have prop money in here, and that is because the vet bill that we had for our dog turned out to be more than we thought because he has an ear infection. And we also got him neutered. So there's just a lot of things at once. But we're going to try to get $9 in here. So we're going to scratch one off right here. This is a 2. Okay, scratch one here. That's a 5. And because we went over on the last one, I'm just going to add the $7 into this today. And I did make sure to empty my vacuum today because I knew that it was running low. So do we have 3 ones? We do not. All right, so we're gonna add 5, 6, and $7. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4 out of 65. So then we have 11 more dollars to go. Exciting stuff. Next up is from Boy Mom Loves to Save. This is Not My Coop, Not My Poop. And I'm gonna roll for this one because I do know where some of these are. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is a 7, so I'm gonna stop there. Just scratch it all the way off. All right. Cool, so we'll be adding $7. 5, 6, 7, and I'm gonna put 2 5s back for one of these 10s. So now we have $17 in here. Next up is our spring chicken. And this is from my shop. It will save us a mystery amount. And I'm gonna scratch right here. That is an 8. All right. So we're just gonna vacuum this off real quick. And we're gonna put 2 ones back and grab a 10. So now this one has $19. Next up is from Laurabelle Creations. This says, live like you're getting fried tomorrow. And I'm gonna scratch this one. That's an 8. So we're gonna stop there. I'm gonna vacuum it off. And we're gonna add $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 18 in total. And next we have this one from Bookish Mama Budgets, and it is So Clucking Cold. And we're gonna scratch this one, which is $5. Do I want to scratch another one? Even is yes, odd is no. Even is yes. All right, we're gonna scratch one over here. So we got a 5 and a 7, which is $12. So we're going to be adding $12 in here today. 10, 11, 12. So now we have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. 23 in So Clucking Cold. So we are almost halfway there. Next up is our Beach Chick. And so far we have gotten both ones, because I think there's only 2 ones on here. So I'm gonna go right here, and that is a 5. And actually I'm gonna do another one on here. Do this one. 5 and 5 is 10. All right, we got $10 going into this one today. $10. So now we have 12 in our Beach Chick. So we're a third of the way there. Next, we are going to be doing Just a Girl Who Loves Peckers. This one is also from Laurabelle Creations. And we are going to scratch, we got both the highest and the lowest number. So I'm going to scratch this one right here, and that is for $9. All right. So I'm going to put $1 back and take that last 10, and now we have $20 out of 55. All right, next up is also from Bookish Mama Budgets. This is our little chicken with a record player, and I'm going to scratch this one. That's a 3, so I'm going to scratch one more. And a 2, so that's $5. All right, so now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. That sounded loud. Whatever, my daughter just dropped. All right, next one is from my shop. It is Are You Chicken Me Out? And we are going to scratch this one. That is $1. Okay, we're going to scratch another one. I can't just do $1. $2. Okay. Fantastic. We'll put $3 in here. All right, let's see. We're going to put 2 back and take a 5. So now out of 40, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, $13. Cool, cool. And we are going to skip our catch-alls for the end. We're going to go back to the front and do this one from Bookish Mama Budgets, which is these cute little chickens with their winter gear on. And I'm going to scratch this one, which is a 1, so I'm going to go again. This one, 1 and 8. All right, perfect. That's exactly $9. All right, so I'm gonna put a 1 back and take 2 5s. So now in our little chickens in their winter gear, out of 40, we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3. So we are more than halfway through now, and there are 3 stickers left. So very excited to see what's under there. Let me check out what we've got here. We got 2 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $20. Okay, so yeah, we can definitely start again. We're gonna scratch another one on Fly the Coop. And do the one right next to it. That's a 7. All right. $5, $6, $7. $7 going into Fly the Coop, and I need to grab up the rest of the money. All right, so now in Fly the Coop we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are more than halfway done. Next is our little bookmark ones, and I think I'm actually going to finish these today because I already spent the one for pets, and if I can take out the one for holidays, that would be fantastic, because I just spent all of my holiday money on the vanilla extract concoction. I did not realize that the amount that I was making would require so many beans, and they are not cheap. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So I'm going to grab out the 5. And 5 plus 1 is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to scratch these the rest of the way off and then vacuum it. All right. Oops. Sorry for the bump, y'all. So now, with our regular money and our prop money, we should have saved a total of 65. Gotta figure out where the 5s are in here. There we go. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $65 we did indeed save. So the 30 that was already spent is obviously already gone to pets, but the $35 here, oh, it's going to birthdays, not holidays. Even better. Okay, so this is already spent, so we're going to put this to the side. And we're going to take this birthdays one, and I'm going to paper clip it. And I'm going to put it right up here. So I guess we'll put this up here too. We are going to jump to the back. And I have decided that if I finish a challenge, I want to take one of these and replace the previous challenge with it. So I think I'm going to do, since these two go together, I'll do this one in the spot where this just was, which means I need to grab $5 along with it. So let me do that real quick. I'll grab a 5 and put it in there. So now with our catch-alls, we've got $2. So I'm just going to do a set of eyeballs on here. And I think I'm going to do this color. don't know if this is the same one. Yep, same one I used last time, it looks like. Makes the ink spread a little bit, but that's okay. So now in our 2 catch-alls from Savings with Tracy, we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. $10 in our catch-all challenges. Now we are going to move that money into our holidays and birthdays. And the next birthday is going to be my mother-in-law. So she's going to get the whole $35 that is in here. And that is going to be all for today, folks. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it made you laugh, made you smile, made you feel some kind of positive emotion, and I hope that I will see you on the next one. Bye.